Okay, we're going to be doing the unboxing of a Poulan 3816 chainsaw, 38 cc's, 16-inch blade. Comes with this handy case and blade cover. See how much installation I have to do here once we get it open. Let's see. There we go. Okay, let's open her up and see what's in here. Extra cardboard for nothing. We got 40-to-1 oil. We have our instruction manual and our sprocket as in screwdriver, socket. All right. Let's see. Flat out. Wow, chain's already on. There's already bar oil on it. Nice packaging, fellas. So we have right out of the box. Tension feels good on it. And then we'll just have to put some oil and water and oil and gas in it. Gas oil mixture and bar oil. Bar oil being the front, and gas oil mixture 40-to-1 in the back. Little float valve there. Tell you where you get low. We have that, so bar chain oil here and gas oil mixture here. Carburetor adjustment is going to be right here for low, L for low, H for high, and your primer here. You've got a choke here. Pulls all the way out. Let's see. Bar oil in there first. Shoot. So fill this up. Oh, a tad too much. Alright, let's go with the gasoline. And we have a 2-cycle mix. It's all ready to go. Okay, so blue, pull the choke out, goes into the run position. This is choke, this is your kill switch. Pull the choke out. It's on stop, down, the red button's on stop, down. Pull the blue out, it pops it up into the on position. This is your choke. You've got a primer button over here. And pump it up a little bit. It's nice that they have access for the carburetor here, holes for the carburetor adjustment in case it needs to be adjusted, which a lot of times these chainsaws do.
There we go.
Start. Good to go. Got it started once. We'll see if it starts up again right away or it's going to be a pain. Too, but we'll see. Poulan 3816 38cc chainsaw right out of the box. Seems to do a pretty good job. We took down obviously some smaller trees and seem to have no problems with it. I can say that we did need to tighten up the chain a little bit after the first run, which is expected, and then the only other thing I noticed is there may be a little bit of carburetor adjustment needed at low speeds. Had a little trouble keeping it running at low speeds after we used it for about 45 minutes or an hour, which, out right out of the box, probably something you'd expect as well. So I'd say, overall for 140 bucks, I'd say it's a pretty good little piece of merchandise.